What are we doing today?
Water pump and thermostat replacement. This is my 2011 BMW 335i, 6-speed manual, single hump.
Just one hump?
Only one.
Mechanics don't get wet.
We're making progress, look. Where did everything go? Pump, thermostat.
Pump, thermostat? Okay. Nice.
6-7.
Oh god.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh shit.
Yeah, so this is what I'm working on right now. Trying to get out.
What is it? Show me.
Thermostat.
How does it work?
I don't know.
Doesn't it have like some sort of a metal that expands when it gets to a certain temperature, and then the valve, like, it's like a spring?
Yeah.
And then when the spring gets hot, it like goes to one position, and when it's cold, it goes to the other position?
Yeah, bitch. Totally got it. It's like the opposite of this, so this has to be the female side. Like the bolt is this way. So it has to get...
Oh, the bolt looks like that.
The bolt looks like this, yeah.
What? So we need like a star
It's
socket?
Like a star socket, yeah.
Do we need to go to the store?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think I'll have to go to the store.
Okay, we're going to Harbor Freight because we need, what is it called?
E-Torx bits.
E-Torx bits.
First item, bang, Pittsburgh magnetic tray.
Nice, a must-have.
Yep. Okay. Little pick tool set.
Okay, hopefully we don't need that.
Yeah,
Just in case.
Just in case. Never know. And then got 3-piece
Bendy boys.
bendy boys. Yeah.
Okay. Is this an just in case item as well?
Yeah, just in case.
Okay.
Just to have. Got a 1/4-inch drive torque wrench. $15. I don't really have a use case for this right now, but in case I need to work on my bike. And then star of the show, e-sockets.
E-sockets?
Specifically the E12 is what we needed.
E12, is this like a Germany thing? Oh yeah, look at this.
I think so, yeah.
You gotta do like the makeup reviewers do, where they put their hand behind it, you know?
Oh, to make it in focus? Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm not sure if that was in focus. Here you go. Are we in focus?
And now we're going to In-N-Out.
Everybody hold on to your mirror caps.
Your mirror caps?
People in Lakewood will steal your mirror caps off your car as you eat Dave's hot chicken.
I'm still recording. I gotta stop it. My camera uses about 1 gigabyte a minute.
Bro.
Dude, what is that?
It's a 6x6. Jeep 6x6.
Oh my god, take a video on your phone of it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I turned wrong.
Sorry guys.
Sorry.
There's a 6x6.
I got a little distracted.
Lady's breaking her neck at it too.
Look at this thing.
The
Apocalypse. This guy's ready for the apocalypse.
last connector, I think, off of the pump. This thing should just fall towards my face in a second.
Oh, it's dripping a little bit. Look at that thing.
That's damaged. Way back there.
Okay, so this is a 335i. The 3 means it's a 3 Series, which is like the smallest size sedan, and they have the 5 Series and the 7 Series. That's what the 3 means. And then the 35 means it's a 3.5 liter. And then the I means that it's fuel injected, which is kind of silly because every car since like 1980 has been fuel injected. But yeah, but why is the 335i one? Why is that the cool one, Jasper?
Twin turbos.
This one's twin turbo?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for some reason I thought it was single. Twin turbo. So the 328i is more common. This is the twin turbo one. I figure people already know that, but in case you didn't know that, now you know.
My new water pump is in. My new thermostat is in. Got the sway bar back on. Man.
What
Water
did you
pump, New water pump installed, new thermostat installed, and then we also just knocked out an oil change to round out the maintenance day.
Easy.
Easy. Took a while. Had to run to Harbor Freight for some extra tools, but we're done. Let's take it for a drive.